Hello friends, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Developer Tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is custom setting. Custom setting are similar to custom objects and enable application developers to create custom set of data. It is used to store data in Salesforce. Any data is stored to custom settings will be retrieved without writing SQL query. Custom setting allows developer to create a custom set of access rules for various users and profiles. There are two types of custom settings in Salesforce: list custom setting, hierarchy custom setting. Enable custom setting, setup, administer, data management, schema setting, enable toggle. List custom setting. List custom setting provides a reusable set of static data that can be accessed across our organization irrespective of user or profile. Create list custom setting. Setup, build, develop, custom setting, new. Step 1, enter name. Step 2, enter label. Step 3, choose custom setting type, list. Step 4, save. Step 5, create custom fields. Step 6, click on manage button and enter the data. Note, by default every list custom setting will have name field. Retrieve data from custom setting. Get all method. This will return all the values in custom setting in the form of map, where custom setting name will be key and custom setting will be value. Map name, comma custom setting, where name field is the key and custom setting is the value. For example, create list custom setting by the name agent and fields salary, phone. Hierarchy custom setting. Hierarchy custom setting is used to store different data for different profiles and users. It uses built-in hierarchical logic for personalizing setting for a specific user or profile. Create hierarchy custom setting. Setup, build, develop custom setting, new. Step 1, enter name. Step 2, enter label. Step 3, choose custom setting type, hierarchy. Step 4, save. Step 5, create custom fields. Step 6, click on the manage button and enter the data. Fetch data. Get instance, user ID or profile ID. This will return the data based on profile or user. For example, create hierarchy custom setting by the name manager. Thank you. So coming back to our practical session, first we need to log in. For enabling the custom setting, first we need to click on setup, administer, data management, schema settings, enable, manage list custom setting types. This enable toggle. So for creating the custom setting, first we need to again click on setup, build, develop, custom settings, click on new, provide the custom setting label. Here I am taking the name agent, object name agent, setting type is list, visibility is public, clicking on save button, creating the custom fields. For this agent, click on new, choose the data type. For salary, I am going to take currency, click on next, providing the field label salary, clicking on next button, save and new. Second field I am going to take phone, data type taking phone, click on next, field level providing phone, click on next button, click on save. So here we had created list custom setting by the name agent, agent underscore underscore c, and the labels are phone and salary, phone underscore underscore c, and salary underscore underscore c. So next example, we have to create hierarchy custom setting. So for creating the hierarchy custom setting, again I am going to click on setup, develop, custom settings, new. Here I am going to create hierarchy custom setting by the label manager. Object name also I am providing manager. Setting type would be hierarchy. Visibility public. Clicking on save button. For creating the custom fields, click on new. Here I am going to create one email. So I am taking data type email. Providing the field label email. Field name is email. Click on next. Click on save. Like this, we are creating hierarchy custom setting. Here we had created hierarchy custom setting by the name manager, manager underscore underscore C, and field email, email underscore underscore C. Thank you.